The angled peak fold has the most views of any short on YouTube. Lay the pocket square upside down with the point towards you. Fold the bottom corner up about an inch above the other side. Notice how the peak looks nice here. Hold a little right of the bottom center and take the top peak to the right next to the first. Move your finger a little more to the right and take the top peak next to the other. Fold the remaining peak till it's about as wide as the others. Then move your finger a little bit more to the right and take your last peak up to the others. Fold the bottom up to the depth of your pocket, not in half. Those pesky newtubers get this wrong all the time. Lastly, fold the side in. Voila, it's ready for your pocket. With your trusty pocket square, you never have to fear looking plain without a necktie. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never have to take style advice from a newtuber again. Most importantly, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.